Hey guys, the thing that I wanted to show you today was related to cars, so I thought let's record the video inside the car as well and show you along the way. So the first thing that I'm going to share with you is a tray, a special tray that is made for a car. And before I show you that tray, I want to share the reason why I'm showing that tray. Sometimes when you are traveling or you really like a restaurant, at least in the country where I live, sometimes there is not a good enough condition for sitting environment. Maybe it is really cold out there and they don't have a coverage or something. There can be multiple reasons why you don't want to leave your car and eat inside a restaurant. So if you are in that situation, then you usually what you do is that you order the food and you try to eat it inside a car. Again, my reason can be that the sitting environment is not good, and maybe for you it's another reason. So when once the food is received inside the car, what happens is that other people can still eat it in a tray they received from the restaurant, but for people like me who are in the driving seat, it's really difficult because the steering is in the way. So that's the solution that I found because I faced it the most. I am the one who is driving. I ordered this tray. It is really high quality, like I am trying to flex it, but there is no flex. See, really premium material. When you touch it, there is one place for your glass, then your food, and it's designed specially for your steering like this. So all I do is like I take it and do it like this. Now you can press it, keep pressing it because it's has clicked into the steering. The more you will press it, the more it will take the force from the steering, so there is no way for it to fall. See, put your glass here, cold drink, whatever, put your food here and you can easily eat. So I mean, I have found my solution like this, and it's really comfortable. You can easily put the glass here, the food here, and then you can try to eat. And easily, once you're done, you can just take it off like this, put it behind the seats, or right here in front, depending on how often you eat in the car. But I think it's really lifesaver for you. It's really convenient to have it. This is very flexible, portable thing. You can put it anywhere. Very lightweight, very premium material. And it costed me around $4 or $3. I will find and leave the link in my video description where you can check the latest price and description as well if you're interested in buying. But I think this is a really great thing. And there is another thing for the back seat that I would like to share with you as well. So let's go to the back seat and see what's that. Let's go. So now I'm sitting in the back seat, and the problem with the back seat when you're eating food inside your car is that you can receive the tray here, but wouldn't it be convenient if you had an extra thing here, an extra tray here where you can put your glasses, because there is no easy space for you to put your glasses. So this is where this small little tray comes in. It's a collapsible tray and it's very small. It's basically for children's feeder and glasses as well. Position can be adjusted. I mean, these are belts like watch, and you can change the location, position, and increase the weight. For example, do it like this and increase it. I am going to adjust it according to my car and lock it wherever you want. Plug it inside the back seats, these handles, and let me plug this one as well. Now it's always in this position. It's in a collapsed form, not taking my space, and it also matches with my seats colors. And you can also buy it in black. I'm not sure about the other colors, but you can also buy it in black. And when you need it, you just pull this up from here, and you have the small tray. And if you want to hold glasses or feeder of children, you have these two things. Put it one right here, maybe children's feeder right here, and they will be in their comfortable position. You can sit here, you can eat here, or in general you can take care of children while their cold drinks or their feeder can stay here. Once you're done, just collapse these things inside and push it and you're done. So I think these two things were really cheap, and I think this was even cheaper than the tray that I showed you that worked with the straightening, and this was even cheaper than that. But I think this one adds a little value as well. This can be a permanent thing that can be attached, because the tray with the straightening you have to remove it, put it somewhere, then bring it back, but this can stay permanent and you can use it whenever you want. So I think that's a plus point with this one. And I will also leave the link buy this one in my video description. You can find its price here. And yeah, let me know what you think. Please do share your feedback. Take great care of yourself. Bye.